The cargo plane flew to Indonesia from Lockheed Martin's factory in Marietta, Georgia. The journey began on Tuesday morning local time, with the aircraft facing heavy rain and a temperature of -3 degrees Celsius. Its flight to Indonesia was led by Air Squadron 31 Commander Lieutenant Colonel Alfonsus Fatma Astaraduta. The crew, including personnel from Lockheed Martin, navigated through extreme weather using cold weather operation procedures.
The flight to San Diego, initially estimated at 6 hours and 12 minutes, took 7 hours and 12 minutes due to adverse weather. On Wednesday, the flight continued to Honolulu, where adjustments and headwind extended the travel time to 9 hours and 48 minutes before landing at 2:57 p.m. local time. The Indonesian Air Force's fourth of 5 Super Hercules aircraft finally arrived in Jakarta at approximately 2:24 p.m. local time.